Hi guys, welcome back to Charlotte's Foliage. I have a plant that I need to unbox here. I don't even know which plant it is. I think it's a lemon lime or neon pothos. And so without further ado, I just want to welcome you guys back. And also, if you're new here, welcome you. And I'll get right into the video and I won't keep you guys long. I just want you to see me unboxing another plant because after all, you guys really help me stay focused and help me to continue to enjoy my plant videos as well as just talking about plants, and it's my favorite pastime. So thanks again. Let's get into the video. All right, let's get into the unboxing. And before I get started, I wanted to tell you guys these plants, or this plant, is coming from Plant Proper. Okay, and I have purchased plants from them before, and they are a reputable company. Okay, so the first thing I can see is they have a thank you card here, thanking me for supporting their shop. And I know what that's like because now I have a plant store and I need support, and I'm getting some support and would like more in case you guys want to purchase a plant. Okay, so here's the thank you card. It's really nice. I'll leave that here, and I want to show you guys how well they package their plants. Look at that. So I'm just going to kind of push these on the floor, and I'll get them later. These peanuts, so we can get down to the plant, okay? I'll show you the plant. Here's how the plant is packaged. Okay, I'll just untie this rope here, and then they have this paper wrapped around the plant to secure the plant. Okay, and then I think I requested a heat pack if it was cold outside. So today is nice. Ooh, you guys, it's beautiful. Wait till I show you. We got a lot of peanuts on the plant. Look how beautiful it is. I can't wait to get this plant on a pole, and they already have the pole here, so I don't even have to go buy that. The sphagnum moss that the plant is in is very dry, and what that tells me is that this plant has been shipped to me, and should be very thirsty. These plants, you can give it bright indirect sunlight, and they can dry out between waterings, but because of the type of color they have on them, you have to give them bright indirect light. I read on one channel that some of them can take some direct sunlight for only a short period of time, and you have to be careful because the lime green will turn yellow. I can actually see some yellow on this plant right now. Let me see if I can show you guys it. Hold on just a second. Okay, so you can see the lime green here, but if you look right there, you can see a little bit of yellowing, and they say that comes from giving the plant too much light. And sometimes you just have to move a plant from its space to see what place in your house works better for that plant. But again, I just wanted to get in here and show you guys my new plant, and I'm going to take care of her, and hopefully I can make some more plant babies, and I'll sell some in my store for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic weekend, and bye now.